Paano po talaga simulan yung kanta, which is yung kay Megumi, which is yung alright, let's run it all the way from peak to drop.
Ang natin, parang may line switching tayo nagaganap. Okay, and Dominic, how about you?
Actually, favorite part ko po talaga yung bridge. Saan po? Tayo magkasama, lahat ng mga pangarap kaya. Huwag ka ng aking kamay nang mawalan yung bahay.
What do you guys want more? Okay, dahil we want more, mas kikilalanin pa natin sila. So we are gonna play a game.